Guys, what do those elusive Bank 9 IELTS essays actually look like? And why do so many candidates struggle to reach even a Band 7 in IELTS writing? What is exactly and what we will be covering in today's lesson? Okay, we will examine a complete Band 9 sample answer and which you will also be able to download as PDF. So, it's Farooq here. Let's dive in. So, first of all, let's see the question, okay? In many countries, nowadays, consumers can go to supermarket and buy food produce all over the world. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So, first of all, see the example, see the introduction of our candidate's essay, and then let's see the corrections. In our social life, integrating more foreign products to local markets bring more plus points to localities because we can easily go and buy certain products that we want. And I agree with this statement. So, first of all, incorrect preposition usage. Integrating more foreign products to local markets um, should be followed by into rather than to when discussing inclusion in a market or system. Okay, so the correction is integrating more foreign products into local markets. Second one, subject word agreement. Okay, integrating more foreign products to local markets bring more plus points to localities. So the subject integrating more foreign products is singular. So the verb should be brings instead of bring. So corrected version is integrating more foreign products into local markets brings more advantages to localities. So sentence fragment. This is the third mistake here. Okay, because we can easily go and buy certain product that we want. But this is a fragment because it begins with because and does not complete the thought. It should be connected to the previous sentence or rewritten as a full sentence. So this is beneficial because we can easily go and buy specific products that we want, we can say. And then fourth one, misplaced article and missing plural form. So certain product that we want. This is a mistake as well. Certain product should be a certain product or certain products to sound neutral and complete the thought. So correction is certain products that we want. And then last one, awkward wording and redundant phrasing. So bring more plus points to localities, but plus point is informal and awkward in this context. Benefits or advantages would be clearer. So the correction would be brings more advantages to local communities. Is everything clear? So let's move on. Body paragraph. First one. So let's see the paragraph. In my point of view, advantages of buying products made in other countries are greater. For instance, it could be variety of products. International trade brings products from various cultures, offering consumers unique and diverse options. Another merit of this tendency is increasing competition between abroad and regional businesses that can lead to improving the quality of products. Consumers benefit from the latest technology and manufacturing techniques used globally because some countries specialize in certain industries, leading to higher quality products. First of all, we started with international trade and then offering consumers unique, diverse options. But the second part is about technology, manufacturing techniques. First of all, you should separate them. Okay. Second one, never write together two or more different ideas in the same paragraph. Okay, that will be confusing in the exam. And then maybe if you separate them or if you divide into two paragraphs, two different ideas, it will be better to your examiner to understand everything. And then you will have chance to Add your examples in your paragraph. So let's start with missing articles. Okay. First of all, advantages of buying products made in other countries are greater. Okay. But advantages needs an article the. So to specify that these are specific advantages. So the correction is the advantages of buying products made in other countries are greater. So second one, it could be a variety of products, but the correction is it could be the variety of products. Okay. So third mistake, incorrect relative pronoun and redundant phrasing. Competition between abroad and regional businesses that can lead improving the quality of products. So that should be which, as it introduces a non-defining relative clauses, okay, or non-defining relative clause. Lead improving should be rephrased to lead to improvements, okay. So corrected version is competition between foreign and regional businesses, not abroad, foreign and regional businesses, which can lead to improvements in the quality of products. Okay, so let's see main paragraph 2. In other hand, not in other hand, on the other hand, I think. This trend also has drawbacks that can lead bad consequences. To give an example, industry decline that can lead to job losses. Local industries may struggle in competition, leading to closures and layoffs. Communities dependent on specific industries may suffer economic downturns. However, dependence on other countries for essential goods can pose strategic risks, especially during crisis. In addition, it can create loss of cultural identity. In fact, that foreign products can overshadow local traditions. As you see, guys, there are some mistakes, and these are so interesting, actually, in my opinion. So let's start with the first one: incorrect conjunction and awkward phrasing. Okay. In other hand, this trend also has drawbacks that can lead bad consequences. First of all, it's on the other hand, and second one that can lead bad consequences should be which can lead to negative consequences. You are starting with such a such vocabulary and then continue with bad. What does it mean? Bad is so elementary here. Okay. So unnecessary commas and incorrect structure. So let's go. Industry decline. Industry decline. What does it mean? Industry decline. That can lead to job losses. So uh, industry decline that can lead to job losses should be decline in local industries for clarity. Additionally, that can lead job losses should be which can lead to job losses. Okay, so final version is decline in local industries which can lead to job losses. Okay, perfect. So incorrect phrasing, third one. In fact, that foreign products can overshadow local traditions. Oh, so good explanation. But in fact, that is incorrect. In fact, or as a result should be used instead. Okay? So, in fact, foreign products can overshadow local traditions, but I like your vocabulary. So, conclusion. To sum up, to maximize the benefits and mitigate the drawbacks, governments should support local industries through policies that encourage innovation. Nevertheless, perfect. Manufacturing for export markets can create jobs and reduce poverty in developing countries. First of all, where is your idea? Okay, it's so perfect, but where is your idea? Okay, first one. Second one, spelling error. Governments, not governments. It is governments. Okay, but overall, I like your conclusion. Just the most important part is that never forget whether it is advantages, disadvantages, opinion, blah, 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 essay. I don't care. Okay? It doesn't make sense. You have to give your own opinion. In the question, it is written your own opinion. Okay? Because we wrote here, Do you think that this is a positive or negative development? Do you think? Okay. What is your argument here? In the conclusion, you have to mention. Okay. So let's move. So we have a lot of we have a lot of things under criteria section. Okay. First of all, incorrect prepositions. Use the correct prepositions. Okay. After verbs, such as integrating into instead of integrating to. Second one, ensure the verb matches the subject in number, particularly with complex subjects. Okay. Third one, okay, sentence fragments. So you have to avoid starting sentences with because or other subordinating conjunctions unless the thought is completed. So another one is that using articles to clarify nouns, okay, especially when discussing specific advantages or general categories, or avoid informal expressions like plus points and instead use benefits or advantages. On the other hand, which, for example, which for non-defining clauses and that for defining clauses. Okay, you have to focus on grammar. Another one. On the other hand, instead of in other hand. Unnecessary commas. Simplify sentences or for clarity. Okay? Replace phrases like infected with appropriate connectors to make your article better. Okay? It will be perfect if you correct these mistakes. Overall, now, um, to sum up, actually, we have almost 18 grammar mistakes. Vocabulary repetition, if you look at, 6 times products, 4 times local, 4 times countries, 4 times industries, and 3 times other. Repetitive article, okay, repetitive usage. So avoid, please. And then task response. Let's see. 5.5. Why? The essay presents a clear position and explores both sides of the issue. However, some arguments could be more fully developed and supported with specific examples. The essay falls short of the required 250 words also. Okay? Second one, coherence and cohesion. It is 5. Why? The essay structure is generally clear but the flow could be improved. Some transitions between ideas are abrupt, and the grammar errors affect the overall coherence. Okay? Amazing vocabulary, amazing lexical resource, but with a lot of mistakes, you can reach only band 5. Okay? If you don't know how to use, not use. And when you finish the article, okay, when you complete your essay, always check, double check. Okay, lexical resource. Third one. The essay demonstrates a significant range of vocabulary, but more precise and sophisticated word choices will enhance the overall impact. Some vocabulary is used inappropriately. Okay, grammatical range and accuracy. This is the last one. Overall, it's 5, unfortunately. Why? While a range of grammatical structures is attempted, there are several errors that affect clarity and fluency. So you have to improve. You have to improve accuracy, which is needed. Okay. So overall, it will be 5.5. So let's see. Corrected version. Integrating the more foreign products into local markets brings several advantages to local communities. This is beneficial because we can easily go and buy specific products that we want. And I agree with this statement. So at the end, I give my idea. In my view, the advantages of buying products made in other countries are greater. For instance, One advantage is the variety of products available. International trade brings products from various cultures, offering consumers unique and diverse options. Another benefit of this trend is the increased competition between foreign and regional businesses, which can lead to improvements in the quality of products. Consumers benefit from the latest technology and manufacturing techniques used globally, as some countries specialize in certain industries, resulting in higher quality products. In my view, the advantages of buying products made in other countries are greater. For instance, one advantage is the variety of products available. International trade brings products from various cultures, offering consumers unique and diverse options. Another benefit of this trend is the increased competition between foreign and regional businesses, which can lead to improvements in the quality of products. Consumers benefit from the latest technology and manufacturing techniques used globally, as some countries specialize in certain industries, resulting in higher quality products. On the other hand, this trend also has drawbacks, which can lead to negative consequences. For example, a decline in local industries can lead to job losses. Local industries may struggle to compete, leading to closures and layoffs. Communities dependent on specific industries may suffer economic downturns, and dependence on other countries for essential goods can pose strategic risks, especially during crisis. Additionally, there can be a loss of cultural identity as foreign products may overshadow local traditions. To sum up, to maximize the benefits and mitigate the drawbacks, governments should support local industries through policies that encourage innovation. Moreover, manufacturing for export markets can create jobs and reduce poverty in developing countries. So, it will be corrected version of your art, okay? And it's around 8.5, 8 and 8.5, okay, totally. So, we can make it better, of course, with advanced vocabulary, but no need for this step. So, everything is clear now? So, let's move on. So, to write a successful essay on any given topic in your exam, it is essential to understand the types of tasks, okay, and you will encounter in task 2. You need to know how to approach each one, what points to cover in every section of your answer, and more broadly, what the IELTS writing criteria are, how to fulfill them. I've created many online courses precisely to guide you through all this, okay? These courses are designed to help you to prepare more efficiently for IELTS writing and speaking, so you can achieve a higher score in less time. You can find the course links in the description below. And then, by the way, okay, you can download the complete essay as a PDF right now. Thanks guys so much for joining me today. Best luck with your exam preparation. It's Farouk. Bye bye.